Raschel and I'm one of the children and young adult librarians at H.B. Williams Memorial Library. Haiku is traditionally a Japanese poem, and it's quite a short one, and it's made up of 17 beats, or what we would call syllables. So the first line has 5, the second line has 7, and then another line with 5. And they're typically about nature. This is quite cool. Rippling waters gleam where needs surface in homage to forces untold. We're running the Haiku Competition to support National Poetry Day, which is on Friday the 25th of August. So we thought a haiku would be a really fun way to support that in a poem that anyone can write and have fun writing. We have some book packs that we'll be giving out, and it's going to be a random draw, so anyone that enters is in with a chance to win. We've had quite a few from children and some from adults as well, but I think the adults need to try and catch up. We had a class at Awapuni, everyone in the class did one and brought it in, which was awesome. Keep writing it. Yeah, there's lots of poetry competitions you can enter online and have a look around and read poetry. We've got so many great poetry books, and there's lots of fabulous New Zealand poets and also young poets that you can read in the redraft books and Mad Honey books that we have here. The entries close on Thursday the 24th of August. You can email them in to us at info@gpl.govt.nz, or you can send them to us via our Facebook page, or if you want to make your own beautiful decorated one, you can drop it into us at the library at 53 Awapuni Road. We just want to raise awareness of National Poetry Day and support poetry and literacy, and also promote our wonderful resource in our library.